So, I believe the choice to become a mother is a choice to become one of the greatest spiritual teachers there is. It all begins with the mother's choice, and we have Gina Williams who will be helping us to make the right choice. I'm here, Empress is there, so we're going to go through all of this. Gina, good morning.
Good morning.
We have all kind of fancy stuff on the table, and I'm going to start by asking, what are some of the things that expecting mothers, we have two on set with us, Vanessa and Damar. You can raise your hand, you know.
Vanessa, Damar over here on my right is Shanika and Orville Pellington, all pregnant. Even the men, they're pregnant with a child. Yes, because they planted the seed, right? The seed is now growing in the beautiful womb, Extol. And guess what? All the babies are due in June. I have a June baby too. We're so connected. But let me leave you with the Mother's Choice owner, and then we come back over here.
So, what are some of the things our expecting mothers should have in their, they call it? Suitcase.
Suitcase. Okay, well, for expecting moms, well, first of all, you have moms who work, obviously. So you want to ensure that you have clothes that you can wear to work throughout the life of your pregnancy and when you return to work. And because, of course, the tummy doesn't just pop in one go, you're going to be growing over a period of time. So you want to ensure that you have clothes that can take you as far along through the pregnancy as possible. I don't think many of us have the kind of wallet to be able to buy something every month as you get bigger. And that's one of the good things about maternity specialty clothing, is that it actually can grow with you because of how the clothes are made.
You know, when I was young, I used to think the baby didn't
just got big one time. No, that's not how it goes.
How important is it to have a budget?
Oh, absolutely, very important. You are not only planning for the clothing that you're going to be wearing, but you have to prepare for this child who's coming into your life. This is a whole other person that comes with his or her own expenses, and babies can be very expensive even before they're born, which I'm sure the moms will be able to attest to, the moms and dads. So
and
even
Empress
before,
but I have some tips, survival tips.
Right, so even before they come along, your baby is going to be adding to the bucket that you have to spend from. So you want to make sure that you budget wisely for your clothing, which is why, once again, my recommendation would be to invest in solid quality maternity clothing that can take you through a good period of your pregnancy, so you don't have to keep on buying clothes.
You've been open almost 10 years now, a decade this year. You have some nice, because I like this piece this morning. I'm going to ask her if I can rub down the belly.
Yes, he's been touching that tummy all day.
Something about to happen with Dwayne. Not saying anymore.
If you're at home watching, just kidding. Okay, so for example, a piece like this is you start wearing this from
you can. So most moms at about 3 months, they'll start to have discomfort in terms of their regular clothing because your tummy starts to show a bit more. Some are earlier, some are later. It just depends on your genetics. You don't need to tuck it. It's not apply to you.
Actually, a lot of men get a big belly and grow with their wives.
That's actually how we know some of our co-workers that we know their wives are pregnant. The men start to put on a little bit of weight.
Girl.
That's how we know that the wives are pregnant.
I want to bring the expecting families in.
Yes.
And I want to say expecting mothers.
Let's do that. First of all, I would like to ask Extol, who has not had his first child as yet, to guess what the mothers are going to be having. So, what are you having? Don't tell us yet. Girl or boy? Get a guess.
Girl.
Girl or boy? Is he right?
Boy.
He's. You haven't. What? How did you know?
One thing I learned is the way the belly sits.
Oh, stop it.
Really? No.
Stop it. That was just a good guess. You know them. These are your friends. Do you know him?
No.
Listen, you're a prophet. Ooh. Very prophetic response there. Well, all right. So, ladies, let me ask you, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? Let's start with you.
Uncomfortable?
Uncomfortable.
Yes, that's it. Uncomfortable.
So you're 30 what weeks now?
33.
33. And what's your best piece of clothing? Being a pregnant mom. I know, right? It's like, can I wear this every day? So, you know, any thoughts about the delivery?
I am pretty nervous.
Yeah.
I
wish I had more time. I had 2 natural births, right? Right? No, nothing, right? So I will just give you advice, right? You got to run up and down. You got to do your squats, and you got to do stuff together to get the oxytocin happening so that the baby comes on naturally. I don't know how else to say it on Saturday morning TV, but after the show, I'll tell you. What's your favorite piece of clothing?
Pretty much everything I own.
Yeah? So is it that you had to get extra pieces, or have you been able to stretch into your dresses? Like
extra.
You got extra. All right, you see? And these pieces, you could probably wear them after as well, huh? That's the beauty of it. And you're having a boy. Oh my goodness. So you broke the bank already? Like you've emptied the account already? Tell us.
Yes,
Use the mic.
Yes. I think he would agree that we have, but I don't.
Okay. So, Daddy, how does it feel? First time dad to be.
Yes.
What kind of mother do you think that your partner is going to be?
Well, excellent. She takes care of me well, so I think that...
Maybe the baby will be in good hands.
Yes.
I absolutely love that. Are you nervous about giving birth to your first child?
Yes.
What scares you the most?
Pain. Pain.
It's a joy pain.
At the end, I was told.
No, man, even during it. Every time that baby, you get a contraction, right? I know, Dwayne, I'm taking it somewhere else, but this is serious.
No, I'm listening.
Moms
I'm learning.
go through a lot to bring these children in the world.
I have to learn this.
Yes, because you're going to be a daddy one day, because you told me you want children. So listen up. Tell your lady friend, your wifey to be. It's mental, right? So every time you get a contraction and you feel that pain, right? It's kind of like, people say it's even kind of, well, I don't want to say it on TV. Anyway, just breathe in and think, my son, my daughter is telling me that I'm coming. So every pain is like, oh, yes, my darling. Next one. Oh, yes, my darling. And you see the last one, you're like, get out! And then you see this joy, and then you're like, oh, my God, the Creator's amazing. The Creator is really special. So enjoy it. Yes. That pain, that is a joy pain. Embrace it, because millions of women around the world have just squat and had the baby and gone back home, honey.
I mean, my mom had five,
And you know, one thing they need to know is the top 10 items that they need.
Oh, yes, let's go, because we're shopping at Mother's Choice.
Yeah, we're shopping.
Yeah, we're shopping at Mother's Choice.
Yes.
Top 10 items.
Okay, top 10 items. So we're going to need some tops for work.
All right, we'll take over.
Yes.
Let's go.
That's a dress.
Oh, is that dress? Sorry.
So we're going to need some tops for work. They're at the bottom.
Oh, no, you don't grab that one.
So top.
Right. And that depends, of course, on your work environment. Some work environments are more formal than others. So you can wear something sleeveless with a jacket, or maybe you have to wear something that has a sleeve. So we have all those options for you at Mother's Choice. So tops for work, and obviously as well pants for work. One of the good things about our maternity pants is that the waist
stretches.
is super comfortable.
I love those.
Right. So you can wear it under the tummy, over the tummy. Any of those are absolutely comfortable. So that's items for work. Top for work, pants for work, or skirts for work as well, depending on what you're comfortable with. Then we want to make sure we have something to wear out on a Saturday, going out, etc. So you can get jeans from us as well. We have maternity jeans. In all sizes, we go from small to 3X. So in all of our items, we carry your size and different styles of the waist that are comfortable. So you may want a pair of jeans. Once again, some comfortable casual tops that you can wear on the road as well. And then we're going to go to church on a Sunday. So we're going to want to have a couple of dresses to be able to wear to church on a Sunday. And of course, we want to be able to go out, because moms, when you get pregnant, that doesn't mean you're stuck at home, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So we want to make sure that we have outfits that can take us from day to evening, and we can go casual or we can go elegant with tops or dresses.
And let that bump show.
Right. And let that bump show. Don't hide it. You don't have to wear a tent to hide your clothes.
Those days are over.
They're over.
This here.
Right. So another item on your list is a baby nest. Now, this is absolutely awesome, especially for newborn. Most new parents don't want to leave that baby in the crib. When they're just freshly out, you don't want to leave them in the crib. So this is a safe way to have the baby on the bed with you at the same time. And from the feedback we have gotten, there are some moms who wish we could get it bigger. so that as the baby grows, they can just keep the child because it's so comfortable. It's affordable, it's comfortable, and it's just perfect to carry around as well.
Baby nest.
And these are made locally. All the pillows that we have are made locally.
Really?
Right. So we also sell nursing pillows, which is another item on your list. And one of the awesome things about the nursing pillow is that it can also grow with your baby. So the nursing pillow can be used, it's a little C-shaped pillow that you wear around your tummy to help to hold the baby while you're nursing. When baby gets a little bit bigger, they can lie down on the pillow and they can watch what you're doing. When they're ready to sit up, it can help to give them support at their back. And when they get a little bit older for playtime, they can use that as well. So this is something that takes you all the way through.
I agree. I have one too.
Yeah.
So where can our viewers find you?
Okay, so we're at our new location, which is shop number 13, Don Robin Plaza.
Right. So and I don't go to the old places where she used to.
No.
I never see nobody.
No, we're not on Paisley Avenue anymore.
No Paisley Avenue.
We've moved to shop number 13, Don Robin Plaza.
Shop number 13.
Yes, Don Robin Plaza.
And you're open from when to when?
We're open Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Right, I just want to take a minute to just share some of the other services that we offer. So outside of our products, we also offer services. So we offer baby shower services. Vanessa has been one of our clients. We offer baby shower planning, catering, decorating, everything about the baby shower. We also offer home visits. So we know that there are moms who can't always come to us. So we will come to you with the clothing and the products, etc.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, there you have it. Gina Williams, owner of Mother's Choice.
Yes.
Lots of stuff for mothers expecting, and they do a lot of stuff. So find them at number 13, Don Robin Plaza. The moms will stay with us for a while.
Listen, the moms are staying with us?
Yes.
Oh, nice. I'm like, that year ago, this is me, guys. Feels like.
We'll be right back.
And if you follow me